Hello, Dream Cell Services here. This is HP designjet 510 printer. I have replaced the service station. It was showing error 2110, so I've been able to service this particular service station and I've replaced it. The first thing it does is to align the print head. You can see the movement of the print head up and down. You just wait for it to finish its normal print head alignment, after which is going to print out an alignment page to show that the alignment was successful. After doing that, the next thing you do is to cover up the printer normally and then you print normally. So you can see the print head alignment is coming out right now. I'm going to take my time to go through the quality of the printer printout and see if the print head will need replacement or if I can just use it that way. So thank you very much. If you want more video on how I was able to get to this level, check my other videos in the description. Thank you.